Hello everyone. I welcome you all in the continuation process of the modular robot design. So as you can see, after the one leg finish, I just copy the other leg and make the lower part of the robot. That means the hip part. So as you can see, the connection is like something like this. Let's say if I isolate this one, and then if I go this one, and then okay, you can see here and you can see here what I did. So it's like you can have the snapping position like here to here and here to here, and this is the joining part. So yeah, so this is the one option, and you can say this is another option. So like as like the leg part. This one is also I just make some repetition like this. You can see the design, and you can see this is a slightly changed design like this one. Okay, and also this one is also slightly different from the previous one. You can see. Okay, and then this one is slightly different from everything, is a bit different actually. I don't use the exact the same copy. As you can see here also, I mean I use this one, but on the lower part you can see this part is a bit different. So yeah, I just did this one, and also there is some you can in the back also you can see the difference. You can see the difference, this one and this one. Okay, although I copy the part, but slightly change. You can see around this one and this area. You can see around this area, and also this area a slightly change, and as much as detail possible. And you see the polygons and the wireframes are, I just made it very simple poly, so it's look like this. Yeah, and then again this is the big robots option. So as you can see, these two, as you can see here, if you closely look here and also look here, there is slightly different. Okay, different from the one another. So yeah, and then this one, and also finally this one. So it's like as you can see closely, slightly different from the others. And I was keep repeating this section. I mean yeah, this symbol I was using, and this symbol also, they are popping up, and they are something like you need to go into the into the bevel part. I mean, go inset. This one is for the line, one is for the inset part, which is like this one I showed you before, that this one, this part are the inset part, and this part are, this leg is done with the inset option, but this one is let's say this part is done with the bevel option. So I just attached it, and so as you can see, they are actually separate copy. They are actually separate copy. If you just drag a copy out of it, and you can see what I did just this. Okay, so they are the separate copy. So as you can see, so like in the back side, you can see also from the front side, but in the back side you can see also the different. Okay, they are actually different from the back side. As you can see, this part and this part. Okay, this part is a bit bevel option, and this part is a bit uh, different option. So yeah, some of the legs part are, some of the legs part are like this is the snapping point. So some of them are rectangle. Some of them are rectangle like this. So you're gonna find the the leg part rectangle position just like the snapping position like this, and some of them are round like this. So I used both of them. Some of them are round, some of them are slightly rectangle. So it's like if you rig it, then it will look good. Yeah, don't make any big difference to look at. So snapping point is there. So that is this part all about, and you can see from the leg part to the joint part and to the hip part is ready. It's done. Okay, and from the back side, from the front side, it's looking quite quite heavy work, and quite different actually. So it's like I'm doing it like a assembly line kind of things, that one of the points like this one and this one. Sometimes what I'm doing is like you can see here and here. So let's say copy this too. Okay, sometimes what I'm doing is like just like this one to this one, so you can have a attachment there, and sometimes you can have like select this too, and you can have a bridge. So as you can see, you have a connection there. So you just need to detach that, and you get this new shape, the new mesh, and you're gonna kind of like you can have some sort of yeah, some sort of details like this, and you're gonna extrude that, no problem. You're gonna extrude that. You see how I am doing this part. So it's like this. Okay, and then what you're gonna do is like you're gonna chamfer this part. So it's like this and the loop part, and then go to the chamfer part, and okay, and the chamfer option. Okay, done. So you get the completely new option, and you have the option to modify it like you kind of kept that. And also that is your snapping position. You're gonna kept that, and this is your completely new shape. So it's like unhide that, and if you go that if you go there, then you have this type of shape around you, and you can easily delete the reference and then fix it like here. So yeah, some parts I just start from the basic shape, and then you're gonna put some detail over this, like okay, over there, okay, whatever detail you're gonna do, ring, connect, and this one, so you're gonna insert that and make some adjustment. So yeah, this is what I did actually over the time, and some of the shapes are I made it from the shapes like this, from the 2D shapes like this, and some of them I made made from jointing these two parts and connecting them, and just getting this shape. And all you need to do is, after that, you need to make the detailing of this shape. So yeah, so this is how actually I just keep remain this shape, because I'm just keep using this again and again, this part. Okay, so I'm just taking one of the copies like here, and then I just doing this kind of thing, and the final look, it's quite okay to me, because these are big giants robot kind of yeah. So yeah, I hope you understand the journey. So it's like keep repeating the same process, the same effect, and it's taking too much time, but I'm just showing you the process, that what I am following and what I am doing actually. So I hope you understand that what I'm doing. Like you can see from here, all the shapes look different. So 10 pieces of the joint part, but they are sometimes they are 80% match, like this one, but you see this is empty. This is a one part, but this one has a slightly different. So yeah. So I just keep repeating the process, and let's keep repeating the shape making things, and finally come up with this. So 10 robots already, modular robots, 10 hip and 10 leg piece are done. So I hope you enjoyed the journey, you are enjoying the journey, and stay with me and keep supporting my channel, which is Opu Art. I have the Facebook page, and I have the YouTube channel. So you need to just WhatsApp, you need to Google that Opu Art, or you can go to my page, and you can go to my YouTube channel and connect with me. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoying, and you will keep remain till the end. Thank you.